Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to Enter Amazing TV, back with another adventurous artistic video. I said the intro because I don't know when this clip is going to be because I got a lot of clips from the other days, but I'm sitting in the hallway because I just tried to coat another screen and burn another screen, the whole process with the screen print and stuff, and I failed again. This time I think I'm chalking it up to the fact that the screen has just been overused from the trial and error, and I fucked it up like too many times. So now I think it's just like messed up. So what I'm gonna actually do is I have another screen that I was gonna use for the full back design of the shirts. I'm gonna just use the new screen and print that way, and I'm gonna use the same exact steps that I've like discovered along the way of like me failing and shit the whole time. And if it works, then that just proves my theory that this screen right here, it keeps experiencing these blowouts, where that just means like the design is going straight through, like it's not holding like the rest of this stuff right here. It's not holding into the screen when I'm using the power washer on it. It's just going straight through. So I mean, I don't know, I think it's defeating for sure. Like I'm actually devastated that it's taken this many times, but it's not supposed to be easy. It's something new. I'm learning a lot of new things as I keep going, but it's just so many things that have to work and like at the same time, you know what I'm saying, to like really get the process right. So I feel like I got the recipe. That's what me and Fia have been calling it, the recipe. I think I have the recipe to get it right. I just believe that the screen might be messed up. I'm gonna try another one tomorrow, like in the morning, because it's nighttime right now. I'm gonna try another one, but like everything has to be in order. Like I make sure I can't overexpose it. I gotta make sure I don't expose it early, like with the sunlight and all that stuff. Make sure it's drying on the right side. Just all types of things that I got in my notes to just remember like how to do this the right way. So yeah, I'm just chalking up to the fact that I think that one is just overused. It's beat up because I'm new to this and I've just been, you know, trial and error. I got a brand new screen. I'm gonna just use that one, follow the same exact steps, and if that one comes out a success, then I know I need to just grab another screen for my pocket design. It's definitely frustrating. Like I just feel so defeated at the fact that it just keeps messing up. Like it's irking, it's tiring, because the process doesn't happen like fast. Like I'm waiting hours for it to dry and just all types of stuff. But yeah, I'm tired, I'm looking rough. I can see it in the camera. It's not one of my best days, but I don't know, man. I'm definitely enjoying this adventure of learning something new, which is screen printing. Learn something new. Make sure you always learn something new. But nah, I'm definitely enjoying the process a little bit. It's definitely tiring. It really sucks because like when you're creative, you want things to work out, you know what I'm saying? You want to, like, especially with this screen print, like I want to see my designs on shirts. I want to just be able to make them like easy, but it's a good thing. Not all good things come easy. And I really just, like, since it's a creative process, I'm irked, you know what I'm saying? Because I just want it to be done, you know what I'm saying? I really want it to be done right away, but like all good things really can't be done right away. It takes time, it takes a learning process. It's definitely fun though. Like I'm having fun. It's just frustrating. Don't forget that. But yeah, I'm gonna code another screen in the morning and I'm gonna holla at y'all later. Oh man. Make another clip before I check out for the day. But what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I'm gonna change one thing. Instead of doing 2 coats on the front and 1 coat on the back, I'm gonna just do 1 coat on the front and 1 coat on the back and see what happens on the new screen. So yeah, it's just another variable that I'm gonna tweak just a little bit because I'm trying to test to see if something isn't right. Like I'm trying to see if this purple stuff, whatever color this is, burgundy, it's called emulsion. I'm gonna see if this is old and not working, or if this whole screen is just obsolete. It's just, I don't know, there's so many things I gotta keep checking off the list when bad things happen. So that's why this whole process sucks, because I have to wait for things to go bad before I can mark it down and make sure I don't do that again. But yeah, I'm gonna do, in the morning, I'm gonna do 1 and 1 on the screen over there. And also I'm gonna do a different graphic. I'm going to do the back graphic, like I said in that last video. Yeah, and then I'll just see what happens then. I did get better at it though. Like in that first video, I was kind of wiggly with it a little bit when it came to coating the screen, but I was doing it more than I showed you guys, and I kept getting better at it. That's another reason why I think this screen is just, because I've really been going at it. Right, Fee? Like I just kept, like every day I would just like wake up and like burn the screen, spray it out, fail. Next day, burn the screen, spray it out, fail. Like, so I think this might be done. I hope that's the case, honestly, because I would just feel better if I can just go buy a new screen and have all the other variables still stay the same, because that means I got those right. But we'll see, man, we'll see. Catch y'all later. All right, last clip. I know I keep saying I'm gonna catch y'all later, but last clip. I just wanted to show y'all what the fresh screen looks like. This is what a fresh screen looks like. It's hella fresh. It's 160 mesh. Yeah, this is really clean. This is a clean screen. This is how that one looked when I first got it, like 2 weeks ago now, I think. So yeah, I beat that one to shit, and now I got a fresh one. So like I said, what I'm gonna do, 1-1, big graphic. Every other variable is going to stay the same. I'm gonna keep every other variable the same, the drying time, the time on the burner, everything else the same. Actually, I'm changing 2 variables. I'm changing the amount of emulsion I put in the screen and the design. I'm gonna change the design that I put on there. I'm not using this little circle anymore. I'm gonna use a full back design. So that's the only 2 variables I'm changing. Drying time, everything else is going to stay the same. Yeah, so I'll definitely catch y'all on that one. I'll see y'all later. For real this time. All right, what's up, y'all? I just coded a screen just now. It's a little late. I'm gonna let that thing cook for about 2.5 hours. Then I got a list that I'm gonna follow precisely. It's already been a bump in the system. I had to put 2 coats of the emulsion stuff on the front of the screen, even though I didn't want to. I wanted to do 1 and 1 on the clean screen, but I couldn't because my scoop coater, the thing that you put the stuff on the screen with, it was like rigidy, so it left streaks. So I like turned it over and did another one. Whatever, I 2 on the front, 1 on the back. Everything else is gonna stay the same. I'm letting it dry right now, and then when it takes it out, I'm gonna burn it and spray it and then see what happens. All right, so this is the next day. I chose not to burn the screen for 2.5 hours. That's what I had on my list, but I decided to change a variable, which was the drying time. I think I let it dry for a whole night to see if that changes anything, because I have a feeling that the 2.5 hours probably wasn't enough drying time. So this time I left it in there for the entire night and some hours of the day. It's like 7 right now, so I'm about to, take it out and burn it and go through the process. So that's roughly almost a day of drying time. So hopefully that made a difference too, but we'll see. All right, so I have the screen over here cooking inside the thing. It's dark in there. It's cooking. I don't know. We'll see. I'll check back in with y'all. Either I'm gonna be happy or I'm gonna be mad. Who knows? All right, before I actually do everything, like burn the screen and everything, I want to show y'all the graphic that I'm gonna be burning on the screen. It's the big graphic right here. So something like this will go on the back of a shirt. Yeah, it corresponds with that design I was trying to burn before. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in a bit. I'm gonna either be happy or I'm gonna be sad. Here we go. Alright, I'll sit before you guys with another L to my name. The screen did not burn through. Let's check this out. So, right here, this is a straight up example of underexposure. Like, I don't know how it was underexposed because I left it on there for 3 minutes 35, which on the one successful screen that I had, actually I'm gonna show you guys, I just realized I haven't showed you guys a clip. This screen right here that I'm about to show you, this was a successful one that I burnt for 3 minutes and 45 seconds. All right, so now that y'all seen that, what 3 minutes and 45 seconds could do, the reason I've been lowering the times is because some of the fine lines on that one you just saw wasn't burned through, so that means I overexposed it. But this one right here suffered from like extreme underexposure. You see, like none of the design held in the middle. Some of the small design up here held, but like, come on, look at this, it blew straight through. So this is an extreme underexposure. So what I'm gonna do now for this next one is I'm going to overexpose it. Like I'm gonna do the same exact process, but I'm gonna overexpose it. I'm gonna literally expose it for like 5 minutes on the table. And if it suffers underexposure like this, that means the emulsion I have is shot, because this is a brand new screen and it literally suffered underexposure for 3 minutes 35 seconds, which is weird to me. So yeah, next screen, I'm like same exact process. I'm gonna overexpose it for 5 minutes. And if I have symptoms of overexposure, then like, okay, then I know that for this one, I'm gonna put the time at like 4 minutes or something like that. But either way, if I get underexposure again at 5 minutes, I know something is wrong with the stuff that goes into it. This stuff right here, something's wrong with that. And I'm gonna just get a new pail of it and then redo the process. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here because I got clips before this that I have to add to this, so I don't want this video to drag on too long. But yeah, I just found out another way how not to burn the screen. If you've made it this far in the video, please make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Oh, a disclaimer: this is not a tutorial. Like I'm so sorry. Like I know I haven't been going through like the exact motions and stuff because it's not really a tutorial. It's just literally like me vlogging the process of me like learning how to do this stuff. So yeah, it's not a tutorial. So hope you know if you're looking for tutorials and stuff, there's plenty of other videos just like the videos that I've seen. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna catch you guys next time.
Running lights inside of city limits. I'm excited, my little shout she the shit, and we inside of something simple with suicidal. Finish the sentence.